Hi everyone and welcome back to Vintage Nook. Today we're exploring the world of everyday luxury, simple touches that can completely transform your home. From cozy corners to elegant details, we'll share 10 inspiring ways to make your space feel more beautiful, inviting, and effortlessly luxurious. Let's dive in. There's something timeless about the presence of fresh flowers. A simple vase of roses or seasonal blooms can instantly transform a dull corner into a vibrant focal point. The natural fragrance and delicate colors breathe life into your home, offering a subtle luxury that feels both personal and inviting. Flowers don't need to be extravagant or rare to make an impact. Even a modest arrangement of daisies or tulips can brighten your mood. By rotating seasonal flowers, you bring an ever-changing beauty indoors. This simple ritual adds a sense of rhythm and care, turning the ordinary into everyday luxury. Lighting shapes the entire atmosphere of a home. A chandelier above your dining table or a sculptural floor lamp in your living room adds elegance without overwhelming the space. When light meets design, it becomes more than utility, it becomes art, radiating both warmth and sophistication. Think beyond brightness. Opt for layered lighting with pendants, wall sconces, and candles to create depth and intimacy. Dimmer switches can instantly shift a room's energy, making it either lively or calm. Small adjustments in lighting give you control over mood, proving luxury can be as simple as a soft glow. Textures bring silent comfort to a home. A velvet cushion, a faux fur throw, or a soft wool blanket immediately communicates warmth and refinement. When layered thoughtfully, textiles turn an everyday sofa or bed into a sanctuary where comfort and style naturally coexist. Luxury is not only what you see but also what you feel. Soft, tactile materials elevate daily routines, whether wrapping yourself in a thick towel after a shower or brushing your hand across a linen tablecloth. These details create moments of indulgence, reminding you that small comforts are big luxuries. The scent of a home lingers in memory. A lit candle, a reed diffuser, or fresh eucalyptus branches subtly sets the mood for every visitor. Fragrance whispers luxury without demanding attention, making any room feel curated, intentional, and warmly inviting. Choose scents that match the mood you want to create: lavender for calm, citrus for energy, sandalwood for depth. Layering different scents for different spaces enhances dimension, like a signature style for your home. Fragrance makes a house feel like a retreat, a sensory luxury woven seamlessly into daily life. A beautifully set table makes any meal feel extraordinary. Crisp linens, polished cutlery, and simple candles elevate even a casual dinner into a special moment. It's not about extravagance but intention, treating everyday dining as an experience worthy of beauty and grace. Adding details like cloth napkins, layered plates, or fresh greenery as a centerpiece instantly communicates care. These touches turn meals into rituals, slowing down time and encouraging presence. Everyday luxury is often found in these moments, where hospitality, tradition, and design come together around the table. Mirrors have a magic of their own. Strategically placed, they double the light and expand the feeling of space. Beyond function, mirrors act as decorative jewels, framed beautifully to reflect not only your image but also the atmosphere of your home. A vintage mirror above a mantel or a sleek piece in a hallway adds instant charm. Mirrors amplify luxury by enhancing natural light and highlighting your decor. They remind us that luxury isn't always about adding more, it's often about making what you already have shine brighter. Luxury lies in curation. A thoughtfully arranged bookshelf, a gallery wall, or a collection of ceramics transforms everyday objects into art. When displayed with intention, they create stories, inviting guests to glimpse your personality through carefully chosen details. Even simple arrangements can feel elevated when given attention. Group items by color, size, or theme to create harmony. Rotate displays seasonally to keep them fresh. These small, deliberate touches don't just decorate your home, they express identity, making luxury a deeply personal experience. The entryway is the first impression of your home. A sleek console table, a vase of flowers, or a statement mirror can instantly convey elegance. This small space has immense power to set the tone, showing guests that thoughtfulness begins at the door. Add hooks for coats, a stylish tray for keys, or a soft rug underfoot. These details make daily comings and goings smoother while keeping beauty intact. A welcoming entryway feels intentional, proving that luxury is not only about grandeur but also about thoughtful preparation for life's everyday moments. Every home deserves a quiet retreat, and a cozy reading corner provides just that. A comfortable chair, a soft throw, and a good lamp instantly create an inviting nook. This dedicated space encourages slowing down, adding a layer of luxury through comfort and personal time. You don't need a large room, just a small corner with thoughtful design. Add a side table for tea, stack favorite books, and maybe include a scented candle for atmosphere. These small touches transform a simple space into a sanctuary. Everyday luxury often lies in carving out space for peace and reflection. True luxury is deeply personal. Framed photographs, heirloom treasures, or souvenirs from your travels bring intimacy to your space. These touches create warmth and authenticity, turning rooms from mere designs into meaningful reflections of your life and story. Personal details don't need to overwhelm. Just a few intentional placements, a gallery of family photos, a favorite book on display, or a vintage clock on the mantle add character. Everyday luxury comes alive when your home feels uniquely yours, offering comfort and connection beyond aesthetic beauty. Thank you so much for watching. We hope these 10 ideas inspire you to add a touch of everyday luxury to your home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below sharing your favorite tip. See you in the next Vintage Nook video.